If you're dreaming of a brand new home in a community that feels more like a resort, then Devonshire should be at the top of your list here in the rolling countryside of Forney. Our homes are amazing, and so is this community. You're getting a small town feel, but you still have easy access. Located along FM 548, just off I-80, you're just 20 minutes from Dallas, and yet you feel like you're a world away here in the community with all of the built-in amenities. The first thing you notice is the lighthouse and beautiful bridges. Then there's the club at Devonshire, a gathering place for the entire community or for your own private parties. Relax in the pools while the kids play on the splash pads. Now add in sports courts, lighted hiking and biking trails that wind through green belts and around ponds. And you can take advantage of all the pocket parks, dog parks, and green spaces. At the center of it all, your Bloomfield home. You can choose from our Classic Series floor plans with more than 20 different styles to fit your needs. Here at Devonshire, we feature our Carolina 4 and Dewberry 3 floor plans with sizes ranging from 1,800 to more than 4,200 square feet. And whatever floor plan you choose, you know you're getting more standard luxury features included at the base price than any other builder in the Metroplex. More windows, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and so much more. Devonshire is located in the highly acclaimed Forney ISD. You're just 5 minutes from downtown Forney with shopping and dining, or head to your favorite restaurants or sporting events in Dallas. And you're close to Lake Ray Hubbard when you're looking to cool off in the summer. Built-in amenities, a convenient location, and a small town feel. Don't miss this opportunity. Come see the neighborhood, soak up the country feel, and find a Bloomfield home with the right floor plan at the right price.